Title: Comparing Numbers and Recording Numerals, 3 to 5 years. The Count, Play, Explore logo appears in the lower right with the words Count, Play, Explore for early education. Image on screen. Preschooler Ezekiel stands at a table. In the center of the table is a clear bucket of different colored plastic vehicles like trains, ships, and airplanes. On the table in front of Ezekiel is a mat. The mat has a row of different colored squares going down one side. There are plastic vehicles placed in rows on the mat that match the colored squares on the side of the mat. Text over the image. After sorting the vehicles by color, Ezekiel showed interest in counting the number of vehicles in each row.
I'm going to be there in a few minutes.
Ezekiel sits in a chair. An educator sits off screen next to Ezekiel. The mat with the rows of vehicles is in front of them. Ezekiel points to each vehicle in the green row as they count.
How many? 5.
Ezekiel holds a marker in the right hand. Ezekiel reaches over the mat with the right hand and uses the marker to write the numeral 5 on a piece of paper.
The red. How many red ones do you have?
Ezekiel points to and counts each red vehicle.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. And which one is the number 8 on your number line? Yes, you got it. 8.
Ezekiel points to the numeral 8 on the number line sitting right above the mat with the rows of vehicles. Ezekiel reaches over and writes an 8 with the marker on the piece of paper.
So far, which one is the biggest number? 8.
Ezekiel points to the row of red vehicles. Ezekiel points to and counts each vehicle in the yellow row.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13. What's your next color? Orange.
Ezekiel points to the orange row of vehicles.
So far, which one is the biggest number so far?
Ezekiel points to the yellow row.
Yellow one, huh? Yes, you are right.
Ezekiel points to and counts each orange vehicle.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Did you have another 8, the same number? Yeah, what was another color that was the same number?
Ezekiel points to the numeral 8, which was written down on the paper, and then points to the red vehicle row.
The red one, huh? Those are the same numbers.
Credits. A special thanks to the children, families, and staff of the Gilroy 1 Head Start Preschool, without whose help these videos would not have been possible. The Count, Play, Explore logo appears in the lower right, with the words Count, Play, Explore for early education.